If you want to make your hosting your website offline, I'm going to show you the quickest and safest way to do it step by step. This is useful if you're doing maintenance, rebuilding your site, or simply want to temporarily stop visitors from seeing the live version of your website. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account and head to the website section. This is where all of your hosted sites are listed. Once you find the website you want to take offline, click Edit. This will open the management area for that specific website, where you can access the tools you need. Next, you want to locate the File Manager. The File Manager is where all of your website files are stored, including the files that control what shows up when someone visits your domain. Click into File Manager to open it. Now, inside the File Manager, look for the public_html folder and open it. This folder is extremely important because it usually contains the main files that power your website. When someone visits your site, the server looks here first to decide what page to load. Once you're inside public_html, find the main homepage files. These are usually named index.php or index.html. These are the default files that tell your website what to display when the domain is loaded. If you want to take the site offline, you can either rename these files or delete them. If you rename them, your website will no longer load as normal because the server won't find the default index file. If you delete them, that also stops the homepage from loading. Just be careful here and make sure you know which file you're changing, because deleting the wrong file can affect other parts of your website. A safer option is usually to rename the file first. For example, you could change index.php to something like index-backup.php. That way, you can easily restore your website later by changing the name back. This is a good choice if you only want the site offline temporarily and you may want to bring it back online soon. After renaming or deleting the index file, refresh your website in a new tab and check the result. In many cases, visitors will no longer see the live homepage, which means your website is effectively offline. If there are any caching issues, you may need to wait a moment or clear your browser cache to see the change properly. Now, keep in mind that taking the site offline this way is different from fully deleting your hosting plan. You're simply preventing the main homepage from loading. This is perfect for maintenance mode, redesign work, or troubleshooting problems without fully removing your site from Hostinger. If you ever want to bring the website back online, just go back into File Manager, open public_html again, and restore your original index.php or index.html file. If you renamed it, change it back. If you deleted it, upload a backup copy into public_html and the site should load normally again. So to quickly recap, the process is go to websites, click Edit, open File Manager, enter public_html, and rename or delete index.php or index.html. That's the core method for making a Hostinger website offline. I hope this helped you save time and understand exactly how to do it. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.